Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Biz. I am Sarika. In today's video, we are diving into the world of manufacturing and technology. Today's topic is essential for anyone interested in streamlining business operations. An introduction to ERP systems. Let's go to Sahil sir.
Thank you, Sarika. Welcome to the Next Biz Teaching Garden. Let's start. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It's a type of software system that integrates various business processes and functions across an organization into a unified and streamlined system. The goal of ERP is to improve efficiency, collaboration, and decision-making by providing a centralized platform for managing and automating various aspects of an organization's operations. An ERP system typically covers a wide range of business areas, including finance and accounting, managing financial transactions, budgets, accounts payable and receivable, payroll, and other financial processes. Human resources, handling employee information, payroll processing, recruitment, training, performance evaluation, and other HR-related functions. Supply chain management, tracking inventory, procurement, order processing, demand forecasting, and logistics to ensure efficient production and distribution. Manufacturing, managing production processes, work orders, scheduling, quality control, and resource allocation in manufacturing environments. Customer relationship management, CRM, managing customer information, sales processes, marketing campaigns, and customer support interactions. Project management, tracking project progress, resource allocation, task scheduling, and collaboration among teams. Data analytics and reporting, providing real-time data insights and generating reports to support informed decision-making. Compliance and regulatory management, ensuring that the organization adheres to industry regulations and standards. ERP systems are designed to replace disjointed legacy systems and manual processes with an integrated platform that allows data sharing across departments. This integration helps reduce duplication of efforts, improve communication, and provide a holistic view of the organization's operations. Let's take a look at the key benefits. Key benefits of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Efficiency, cost reduction, data centralization, real-time information, improved visibility, enhanced inventory management, financial accuracy, customer service, compliance adherence, scalability, competitive advantage, quality control, and collaboration, reduced lead times, customer retention, supply chain optimization, data security, reporting and analytics, employee productivity, risk management, global operations management, customization, paperwork reduction, customer satisfaction, data backups.
Alright, that wraps up our introduction to ERP systems in manufacturing. We've explored how ERP can transform the way businesses manage their operations, from inventory tracking to order management and beyond.
But this is just the beginning of our journey into the world of manufacturing and technology. There's so much more to discover, and I'd love for you to join us on this exciting exploration. So, here's your call to action. If you found this video helpful or if you have any questions about ERP systems, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and questions are invaluable to us. If you are eager to learn more about manufacturing and technology, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. Be the first to know when we release new content. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I can't wait to continue this journey with you. See you in the next video.